Hey guys, it's Shyla.
And Crystal.
And you forgot one more person. Well, technically not a person, but
Charlie.
our new dog, Charlie.
Charlie, our new dog.
Yeah, we're okay. Yeah. My name is Charlie. Yeah, I'm super cool. Yeah.
And we wanted to introduce Charlie to you too.
Because he's new to this
Family.
As you can see, he's super fat.
Yeah, and if we carry him, he can't breathe well because he's too fat. Yeah, so can we carry him?
You just can sit him on your lap. He's super cute.
We can't breathe well. Okay, just look at the camera, buddy. No, don't look over the. Hey,
little cat. That was our cat. Little cat.
Yeah, and one of our cats ran away. That's why we got Charlie. Hi, bites.
Never knew you bite.
He's too bad for Daisy and me.
Those are our big dogs.
Me again. Oh, you like to lick? Oh,
He likes to.
Oh my gosh, it's really ticklish.
Little cat.
Get out. I want to carry him. He's really good at sneaking.
That was our cat.
He likes it.
He likes it.
Maybe
because you ate
He's
popcorn.
hungry. He's hungry.
Maybe because you ate popcorn and you
Did he eat popcorn?
Yes, you did. You ate popcorn. Oh, because yesterday we went to the movie Zootopia.
No! Wow, your dumb claws, doggy. Ow. He's really hungry, people.
Here, let's turn him this way. Hi, Charlie. Stay calm, boy.
Charlie's a fat dog.
Yeah.
His colors are
Black and white. Right here is all black.
Black, and then right here is all
Here,
white.
let's show.
You don't want to see.
Whoa, that's a cat.
Cats!
Oh.
You're scaring me. Come here, kitty.
Okay. Char. Isn't he so cute? That's how we're
He
doing.
loves to lick me.
Loves
He's
to
hungry.
He's hungry. Attack. No, don't.
Oh my God, look what he did to myself.
Come on, Charlie.
Nice.
Come on, Charlie. Come on, Charlie.
Charlie, look at the camera and lick the camera.
No, Charlie.
Instead of licking us. Look, right there. Lick it. Ow!
Don't lick the cam.
Ow.
Isn't he adorable?
Really adorable. I love him.
Hi, I'm Charlie. Really? You really love me. When I would always fall down, my big dog would always lick me.
Yeah, he's crazy. He bites hard.
She's not a he.
Oh, she really likes it.
That's not a he. She. Not a
He really likes it.
As you can see, he has little wrinkles on his face. So
Why?
Because he's like a dog. Dogs have that.
Stop fighting me, doggy.
Okay. Look at the camera.
No. Give me
Here,
it.
just come to me. Just come to me.
Look at them camera. Oh, okay.
So that's our dog, Charlie, everyone.
Yeah, and yeah, he can barely walk.
He's
Well,
super duper
he can walk,
He's
but
getting skinnier.
He can barely walk because he's fat.
Yeah. And one time
you
the first time we got him, he got stuck because he was fat. There's a fat face. I'm sorry, Charlie.
You're so cute.
So cute.
And yeah, thanks guys for watching. So yeah.
Bye.
I hope lick. Bye. Hope you guys liked our video.
Bye.